Hi, Sketch Lab friends. Is it a sundae? Is it an axolotl? It's both, and it's ridiculously cute. Today we're drawing a kawaii axolotl sundae with whipped cream drips, a cherry on top, and a glass that totally steals the show. So we're starting off with the head of this axolotl. We'll be drawing our axolotl in 3/4 view, so I'm going to go ahead and curve a line to the left. That turns our character's head to the left. I'm going to curve a line up slightly. That's the guideline for the eyes. This eye here on the right, we are going to draw bigger because it's closer to us. And this one here should be drawn a little bit smaller. And we've got to add that adorable smile. Okay, so we're going to work on the axolotl's gills. And this is how the axolotl extracts oxygen from the water. You'll notice we're drawing them in 3 different sizes. Kind of a oval shape. Add a little bit of a cheek here because this is 3/4 view. And because this side is closer to us, we're going to make these a little bit larger. Okay, good job, guys. We're off to a great start. Look at that wonderful little axolotl. Here on the right, you're seeing I'm curving 2 lines out to the right. And we're going to draw some little hands. Coming over to the top of this whipped cream. And that's his body coming down. See a little bit of the side of his body. We're going to curve a line down a little bit where his belly is. And now we're going to add some drips. And this is a great way to create overlapping. All right, so we're going into the shape of the glass now. And you can see how we curved the line down for the bottom of that glass. Now we're going to add a little pedestal base to this little glass sundae container. So you see how we curved this one, curving that line out to the right. And now we're going to do a foreshortened circle. So I'm creating 2 dots. And I'm going to stop my line right there. That's the base of our glass. And now we're going to add a little bit of thickness to the glass. That's what these lines are for. And these wavy lines are going to create the layers of the dessert inside the glass. Fantastic. Look at that, guys. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add that whipped cream and cherry topper. Draw a line that curves down, then start adding the stem. And for this little dollop whipped cream, I'm curving a line out to the right, and on the left now, I'm curving a line out to the left. And it's time for outlining. So because we did use some construction lines, if you want to look at my outline and just make sure that you've erased off your construction lines and you're not outlining stuff you're not supposed to. Okay, so I'm using 3 values today. This is going to be just the regular, actually, excuse me, the light pink. All right, now this is the regular pink. These are Posca markers. And now I'm going in with fuchsia as my 3rd value. And you can see whenever you use value, it adds depth and dimension to your artwork. And for the whipped cream, that's ivory and beige are the 2 values. Ivory is the lighter value. It's a light yellow. You can see the 3 values of red. So I have coral pink, red, and dark red. Adding in some white highlights, so you can see it's really starting to make these look so 3D. Now I'll be using value once again, so you can see I went in with the red orange to the light orange. I've got blue and light blue going right here. The medium value is sky blue. So I've got emerald green and robin green, apple green. And now I'm going to be using blue, sky blue, light blue, adding in some little highlights on the glass. And you can see my Posca paint marker. Sometimes it happens. It just spilled out all over my artwork. Well, this was a fun one today, guys. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for being part of the Sketch Lab family. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and check out the playlist. Look at all these cool characters, and I'm constantly adding to the mix. Well, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.